But when we see the sudden enlargement one, what happens, the smaller pipe is connected to a larger pipe, and with a sudden enlargement, sudden turning is there. You see here the formation of eddies, matlab eddies will be formed at the corner of the pipeline. matlab here water what will be doing, it is in a whirlpool manner. matlab पानी क्या है, यहाँ पर गोल गोल ही घूमते रहता है थोड़ी देर के लिए. Rest of the water will be flowing, but some water it will enter here and it will form a eddy is here the whirlpool. Okay, so क्या होता है, कॉर्नर में पानी अपने आप में घूमेगा then it will enter here later. But this formation of eddy is seen in case of sudden enlargement. Okay, and here due to formation of eddies, obviously there will be a pressure drop, velocity drop, and here the kinetic energy is calculated as mu a square by 2g, that is delta he. delta he मतलब क्या है, sudden enlargement loss. Okay, sudden enlargement loss, and is given as mu 1 minus mu 2 by 2g. that is mu 1 is entering velocity of liquid, mu 2 is velocity of liquid in the larger pipe, and there is some energy loss over there, so we are keeping as minus, that is mu 1 minus mu 2 by 2 into g. Okay, so this is about the enlargement loss, that is gradual enlargement and sudden enlargement. Okay, now we'll see our next type of loss, that is contraction losses. This contraction losses is seen in case of connection between a larger diameter pipe with a smaller diameter pipe. Okay, here we have taken smaller diameter pipe and we are connecting it to a larger diameter, but here in contraction losses we are taking a larger diameter pipe and connecting to a smaller diameter pipe. So when we attach an attachment which is of a larger length and which is connecting these two pipes in a gradual way, the pipe diameter will be decreasing obviously from this way to this way, but the loss is negligible because flow is coming from me this way, and slowly the flow of fluid will be in a slow and gradual way, and this loss is negligible. But in case of sudden contraction, that is coming of liquid fluid from a highly diameter pipe suddenly to a lower diameter pipe, again what happens, due to this contraction, what happens, this contraction of the fluid from higher diameter pipe to a lower diameter of pipe, this contraction is called as vena contracta. Okay, this type of contraction is called as vena contracta. Okay, here you see the formation of eddy, and here you see the formation of vena contracta, and here obviously there will be a loss of energy, loss of velocity, loss of pressure, everything. Not loss of pressure, but loss of energy you can see here. Okay, now the equation for this is given as delta he, that is delta h energy loss is given as k mu square 2 by mu 2 square by 2g. Okay, and k is a constant here, that is k depend upon the value of flow of fluid, and mu is a velocity, and here we have taken mu 1 minus mu 2 by 2g, but why we have not taken mu 1 here, mu 1 we have not taken here, because mu 1 is constant from this way to this way. यहाँ तक mu 1 mu 2 constant है. When entering into the mu 2, it is changing, it is getting contracted here. This contraction is noted as mu 2. So we are calculating here only for the mu 2, that is velocity 2, that is k mu 2 square by 2g. Okay, to understand this contraction losses, I'll give an example for understanding. Whenever you are watering any plants, okay, which are far away from you, okay, you are standing here and you have to water plant from here. So what you do through a pipe, so what you do is, for watering a pipe, you just keep a finger near the mouth of the pipe. Why do you keep the finger near the mouth of the pipe? Because so that the water inside the pipe, it will get and it will throw in a high pressure, it will get and throw in a high pressure. Okay, so what happens when you keep a finger, when you keep a sudden contraction? Okay, for example, a pipeline is there and you are taking this pipe and watering the plants away from you. To increase the velocity, what you do, you keep one finger near the mouth of the pipe. मतलब सडन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगा यहाँ पे, डायमीटर इतना है पाइप का, आप फिंगर रखने की वजह से डायमीटर कम होगा, डायमीटर कम होने की वजह से वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो गई, एंड क्या हो गया, प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो गया, बट pressure increase हो गया, but there will be some loss here, some loss of the water here. Okay, this is called as due to sudden contraction and formation of vena contracta. This contraction is called as vena contracta here. Okay, this is about the enlargement losses and contraction losses and enlargement losses.